Hello, this is GuideH. In this video, I will show you how to get from Gimpo Airport to Myeongdong. There are three public transport options: subway, bus, and taxi. I recommend taking the subway. Buses are inconvenient with many transfers. Taxis are comfortable but cost about 30,000 won. They can be faster, but traffic may delay them. So today, let's go by subway. Before riding, remember two things. First, the transportation card. You need a card to use the subway. The most common are T-money and WOWPASS. You can buy them at Gimpo Airport. You can also buy a single-use ticket, but it doesn't allow bus transfers. And you must refund the deposit later. This is inconvenient. I have another video about cards. Please watch it and choose one that fits your travel style. Second, Naver Map. Most of you use Google Maps, but in Korea it doesn't work well. Because of restrictions, it is not accurate. Naver Map is much more reliable. It has the latest data. You can search transport routes. You can also check restaurant reviews and hours. So please install it. Now let's go from Gimpo Airport to Myeongdong. According to Naver Map, take the airport railroad to Seoul Station. Then transfer to Line 4 and ride to Myeongdong Station. It takes about 47 minutes. The fare is 1,851. When you arrive at Gimpo Airport, follow the signs to the subway. It takes about 15 minutes from the arrival gate. At the ticket gate, follow the signs for the airport railroad. If you already have a card, tap it and enter. If not, buy one at the machine. Now let's find the train. Subway lines are shown by colors. The purple line is line 5. But we need the light blue line, the airport railroad. You will see another gate for the airport railroad. Tap your card again. No extra fare will be charged. Make sure to ride in the right direction. We are going towards Seoul Station, not Incheon. Trains come every 5 to 10 minutes. Inside there is space for luggage. From Gimpo Airport to Seoul Station, it takes about 22 minutes. You can check your location on the train screen. Now we have arrived at Seoul Station. Here we need to transfer to Line 4. This transfer takes time. It's about 15 minutes of walking. Seoul Station is a little complicated, but just follow the Line 4 signs. Along the way, you will see card readers. Tap your card again. No extra fee will be charged. Now we are at the Line 4 platform. Check the direction carefully. We are going to Myeongdong, so board the train in that direction. It takes about 3 minutes. Now we have arrived at Myeongdong Station. check the exit signs before you go out. That's it, we are in Myeongdong. Easy, right? The total fare was 1,851. Transportation in Korea is cheap. The transport system is convenient, so you can travel without much difficulty. This is the end of today's video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.